few more minutes for our last speaker, Audrius Martinkus, who is also from the company that is developing educational videos for in-service training to other companies. So, Audrius, can you try to, just a moment, I need to promote you to the presenters, and please try to share your screen and activate your camera and microphone.
Can you hear me?
A bit. So could you talk a bit louder or closer to the microphone? Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Go ahead.
Okay, so I'll have a short presentation. Thank you for inviting in this webinar, and I hope that this presentation will give you some value. And if you have any questions, please ask. So I wanted to present one small tool that is created from our partners in Latvia. They created a tool to help to create easily interactive scenarios, and I'll show you how it works. So the address is branch track. If you're eager to try, you can try it. But when you are in a need to create various scenarios, it's easy made tool for you to use. So like this is the interface where you can create different classes and not the classes, but the like trainings. And then the tool looks really, really simple, drag and drop principles, where you create the scenario where the person is starting, and then what are the branches and what are other results, and they can be from huge ones to the smaller ones. And I'll show you how it's working in the screen. So it can be used easily also in the mobile devices on the screen. Why this tool we use a lot? Because it can be easily exported as a SCORM and put it as an iframe to some other trainings which we are creating with Articulate. So here, sorry for the language, it's in Lithuania, but I hope you get the point. So this is a conversation. It starts. It asks me the question. I choose an option. It reacts to my response. If I choose wisely, it comes happy. Then, depending where I'm going, I'm interacting with different situations. Okay, I made a bad choice. I need to repeat it. And this tool can be used in pre-made pictures you can take from the library, but also you can use a video inside, and we created a small presentation how it can look when the video is attached to it. So this is a short, just a demo scenario, and the question says, like, you were watching soap operas the whole night. What are you going to be doing? You'll make coffee, or you'll talk with the boss about the issue. And okay, let's better talk with the boss. Okay, that's option me. Okay, so it looks the boss is not too angry. And what I'm gonna do? So the first answer is, okay, I'll sit and work, or okay, I'll go to eat the sandwich. And if I see that the boss is not too angry, I'll go to eat the sandwich. And then at that point, I'm getting down. So this is just a short presentation how it could be used. And now I'll show you how it can be implemented in the trainings. This is one of our lessons of this not discrimination training. And show you this is like the content presented by the lecturer. Some information is presented with the animation, and where we are in the need of a task, I'll show you. Okay, this is not that one. Okay, so this is a task, and it easily jumps to the branch track, and I can play around with the situation here. So, and you can do also a collaboration, like in previous presentation, someone said that the classroom should supposed to be included in also creating those scenarios. So what branch track gives, it gives a foreign tool in which a couple of users, more users can join and create these branching scenarios. So I think that would be it, the short presentation. Hope you didn't know about that, and now you know. If you have any questions, please ask.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Audrius. One question is how expensive it is. I don't remember if there is a pricing on the site or.
Okay, it depends on the usage. Like the company is really looking forward and partnering with the universities. So I think if you contact like the creators, they are willing also to be part of projects. But if you are using it in a commercial use, it depends on the usage. So the price varies.
Okay, and this is only for the building. So students are not involved into this branch track environment. You just exporting as a SCORM object and then putting it inside other learning material or environments, LMS.
Not only, like just previously, a couple of months ago, they introduced the branch track classes. So this is also a tool where you could put different tasks and create a learning plan and then distribute that to this also environment, like inside. So they also thought that if you would like to create a lot of like scenarios and you don't need to put them somewhere else, you can create a class and run the training inside the. Like for example, these are like a couple of simulations added to the class, and also they have all the other necessity tools, where are the learners, achievements, leaderboards, so small version of benefits that all LMSs have.
Okay, clear enough. I see we don't have other questions, and we are running over our planned time. So sorry about this. It's also my fault being moderator and not keeping the time, but all presentations were quite very interesting, and I didn't want it to also shorten the time for the discussions and questions after the presentation. But in this way, I think we can skip the discussion at the end of the webinar, because we had these discussions during the presentations, and that was quite productive. I would like to ask everyone who participated to fill in the form about how you evaluate this webinar, and your give your feedback. And once again, I would like to invite everybody to join our Visa community, and also keep the track on our website and handbooks that we are developing and will be publishing very soon. So thanks everybody. If anyone would like to join and to say some words, now it's open for anyone to comment. So we were planned some breakout rooms and dividing in the small groups, but we don't have time for that. So we skip that part and finish our webinar. Another question I got in personal message regarding the recording of webinar. Yes, we have made recording of webinar, and if all the speakers will agree, we will publish this recording also inside our VISA Video Systems in Education website. So thanks everybody and goodbye.